Hello, I'm Amna Sadaf and I'm a student in the University of Hertfordshire. Today I will give the presentation on the topic co-farm. First of all, I will discuss about the major aspects of the food consumption and the production of the food to the natural environment. Actually, the food consumption and the production of the food has many environmental impacts, which includes deforestation, food wastage, global green gas emissions, and the soil degradation. Land use and degradation is that agriculture actually utilize 40% of the total land area, which results in deforestation, and approximately one third of the totally locally produced food which is consumed by humans is wasted. And global green gas emissions, agriculture uses almost 24% of the totally global green gas emissions. Soil degradation also affects the 33% of the totally global cropland. Now we will talk about a brief overview of co-farm. Actually, when we talk about the brief overview of co-farm, it includes following four things, which includes purpose, vision, strategies, and its core values. The vision of the co-farm is to create a world where every individual can access to the locally produced food. And the purpose of the co-farm is to enable the community where every individual can produce their own locally food gardens. And its core values includes the two things, sustainability and the equity. Sustainability is that which nurtures the long-term ecological well-being. And strategies also includes the two things which are community engagement and the training and education. So now we talk about the Desire living labs. Actually, there are total 25 Desire living labs which are spreading across 17 European countries. The primary objective of Desire Living Labs includes the testing of the digital solutions to meet the requirements for rural communities. And focus area of the Desire Living Labs encompass precision agriculture and the smart farming for rural communities and for the sustainable food systems. And the cost of the Desire Living Labs also have four different types of the cost, which includes cost of infrastructure and the im- uh, cost of equipment and its technology, and social costs and operational expenditure costs. Cost of infrastructure, essential or the necessary establishing the necessary infrastructure in these Desire Living Labs can be financially demanding. Basically, for example, one of the study in of the European Union reveals that the broadband of the infrastructure per household in rural areas could be 1.60 times greater than in the urban areas. And equipment and technology, necessary equipment and the technology such as sensors, drones, and the softwares can also be quite expensive. Because a study in the conducted in the University of the California reveals that the drone system for agriculture can range for up to 1,000 pounds to 5,000 pounds per acre. And the operational cost includes the data management and the data management and the personal training. Social costs encompass the potential impacts on local communities as well as ecological along with the social adverse social consequences. Now we will talk about the its benefits. Actually, the living labs, Desire Living Labs, have different types of the advantages, both in terms of environmental and ecological. When we talk about the economic benefits, it includes the employment generation and the cost efficiency and the enhanced competitiveness. And environmental benefits have lower green gas emissions and the water preservation and the biodiversity conservation. Precision forestry methods such as those dedicated by